Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to unblock YouTube on Google Chrome. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So for example, if the server of YouTube is down or YouTube is blocked on your region or area and you want to unblock the YouTube and you want to watch your favorite season channel videos, then you guys don't have to worry about it and you have to just simply search for uh, any of the video which you want to use. So I just want to watch the Mr. Beast video, so I'm just searching on YouTube, on any of your browser, and search on Google. So after searching on any of the Google, so here is the results. I want to watch the video of the Mr. Beast, so that's why I have to just simply click on videos. So here in the videos section, you will be able to see the list of all of the videos of Mr. Beast. So what you have to do is here you have to simply select any of the video which you want to use. So I just want to see this video, so I have to just simply right click on this video and simply click on copy link address. So here what you have to do is simply copy the link address of the any of the video which you want to see. If there is no video available here, you guys can also switch to another page and you guys will be able to see the specific video. So after that you have to simply go to a new tab, then you have to simply search for all unblocked. So whenever you search for all unblocked, it will open up all of the proxy sites which are accessible for you, and you guys can access any of the block sites here. So you guys can use any of the website. I'm not wanting you to use any specific website. So for example, this is a website, so I have to just simply click on it. So after clicking on the website, it will take some time and open the. So after opening up the website, this website works like a VPN. So you guys can virtually change your location through these websites, and you guys can be able to see the website has opened. Now what you have to do is simply right click on the any of the type section where they are asking for enter a URL address. So you have to just simply right click on that and click on paste. So after clicking on paste, now you have to just simply click on go. So the user interface of any website will be changed, but the method will be same. So you have to just simply find out any of the search box. So after that you have to simply paste that link address and click on go. So after that it will take some time and it will automatically redirect you to the YouTube of that specific video. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.